So are you also running a server hosting business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in this video we are going to understand how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your server hosting provider business. So like you, I'm also running a same business and we regularly receive user queries on WhatsApp. But this is such a time consuming and a tedious task to reply to those same WhatsApp messages over and over again. So to solve this problem, I've simply created a Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot, and now whenever my user is going to send me a message, an automatic reply will be sent towards my user. So if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot specifically designed for a server hosting provider business. This chatbot can instantly assist potential and existing customer with the pricing queries, server specification, uptime guarantees, support ticket generation, and more, all through automated real-time conversations on WhatsApp. It's a smart way to boost customer experience, reduce response time, and handle queries 24/7. So let's dive in and build a powerful support assistant for your hosting business. So as you can see that I have already created a WhatsApp chatbot for my server hosting business. And now first I'm just going to show you the proper working of this WhatsApp chatbot. So to do this, I'm just going to open my WhatsApp and let's say I'm just going to message them, hey, right over here. And once I'm just going to send them any message, it is going to reply me instantly. And now it is asking for my full name. So I'm simply going to share my full name right over here, which is test user. So I'm simply going to enter my full name. And once I'm just going to share the full name, it is asking me for the email address. So I'm simply going to share my email address too right over here, which is testing@pabblytudes.com. And I'm just going to send them this email address. And once I'm just going to send them my email address, now it is going to share me all the options they offer. Alright. So here you can see it is sharing me the hosting plans, the technical support, and the upgrade options. So if I want to know about the hosting plans, I can go towards this option and it is going to respond me accordingly. If I want to go for the technical support, I can go for the same, and same goes for this upgrade options. So I can select the option with the help of which I can solve all my queries. And further, if I want to contact them, I can go towards this contact us and it is sharing the contact details too. So yes, this is the powerful WhatsApp chatbot which is going to solve all the user queries and also collect the user information for you. So as you can see that this is the powerful chatbot which is going to create in today's video. And if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, then for that you have to watch this tutorial till the end. So to do this, we are simply going to open a new tab and I'm just going to open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow simply by searching pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser. And now it is opening the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and over here we are just going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore the application. But over here, I'm an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this button which says sign in. And now it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are just going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. So I'm simply going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. And now it is going to open the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And over here, to start by creating a WhatsApp chatbot, we first have to add a WhatsApp number inside our Pabbly Chatflow account. So to add a WhatsApp number in our Pabbly Chatflow account, we are simply going to go towards this add WhatsApp number button. And over here, we are going to get two options, WhatsApp Connect or manual token connect. So either of one option you can choose to add the WhatsApp number, and a video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. As you can see that I have already added my WhatsApp number, so I'm just going to move on forward and create a WhatsApp chatbot. So to create a WhatsApp chatbot, I'm just going to go towards this left side of the bar of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And over here on the left side of the bar, you can see all the features offered by Pabbly Chatflow. And over here, if you want to learn about any of this feature in detail, we have attached a video tutorial dedicated towards each of this feature in the description box below. You can check it out. Today, this video is only going to focus on how to create a WhatsApp chatbot. So for that, I'm just going to open the flow section of my Pabbly Chatflow account, and now I'm simply going to click on this add flow button given right over here. And now it is going to ask me for my flow name, so I'm simply going to name this flow as WhatsApp chatbot for server hosting provider business. And now to start this flow, we have three options. Either we can use keywords, we can enter the regex, or we can choose a template. So over here, if you want to start this flow with the help of a template, you can go towards this choose template button. So what you have to do is you first have to create a templates in the template section of the Pabbly Chatflow account. And then further, when Meta is going to approve your template, automatically you're going to get the option to select the template right over here. And further, after selecting the template, whenever your user is going to reply to that same template, your flow is going to get triggered. The second option which we have is regex. So regex means regular expressions. It helps your WhatsApp chatbot to understand what a user is trying to say by matching a specific keyword in their message. And the third one which we have is keywords itself. So to add the keywords, we are simply going to type the keyword and then press enter. It is a really important step to type the keyword and then press enter. Otherwise, the keyword will not be added. Alright. So today I'm just going to start this flow with the help of a regex. I'm simply going to enter my regex pattern right over here. So as you can see that this is the regex pattern which I'm just going to use in today's video. So you must be wondering, what is this regex pattern? So once I use this regex pattern, what is going to happen is that now whenever someone is going to send me any message, be it a long paragraph, be it a short paragraph, be it a single line, or be it a single word, now whenever my user is going to send me any message, the flow is going to get triggered because I use this regex pattern. Alright, so now after entering this regex pattern, I'm simply going to switch on this toggle button right from here. So it is not mandatory to switch on this toggle button. You only have to switch on this toggle button for case sensitive regex. And now after doing this, I'm just going to move on forward. Now what I want is that whenever my user messages me anything, I first want to ask them for their full name. So I'm simply going to go towards this action nodes, drag and drop this ask question, and simply connect it with this flow start. And now first I'm just going to ask them for their full name. For that, I'm just going to enter a message which is this. So as you can see, they've successfully entered the message, but in this message I also want to bold some text. So to bold this text, what I'm just going to do is I'm simply going to add stars in the starting of the text which I want to bold and in the end of the text which I want to bold. So as you can see, like I'm doing, you can follow the same and add the stars in the end of the text and in the starting of the text which you want to bold. And after doing this, we are simply going to move on further. I'm just going to select a contact custom field. So to select a contact custom field, we first have to create one. So you must be wondering from where we're just going to create this contact custom field. So to create this contact custom field, you're simply going to go towards this settings and then contact custom fields, and from here you can create your own contact custom fields. I have already created many contact custom fields right over here, so I'm just going to select one from this only. If you want to learn about this contact custom field in detail, you can check out the video given in the description box below. I'm just going to select one contact custom field from here which is full name, and now I'm just going to select the format which is text right over here. And now it is asking me for the number of attempts. I'm simply going to keep it as one only, and now it is asking me for the validation message. So if you wish, you can definitely enter the validation message, and if you enter the validation message, you have to increase the number of attempt. Alright, so now I'm just going to move on forward. After asking them for their full name, I'm just going to ask them for their email address. So to ask them for their email address, I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection and connect it with this full name. And now after connecting this, I'm just going to enter the message for email address, and now I'm just going to select the contact custom field for the same which is email, and now I'm just going to select the format too. Now after entering this email address, I'm just going to move on further, and now I'm just going to give them these three options. So to give them these three options, I'm just going to set up my message something like this. For that, I'm just going to open my Pabbly Chatflow flow builder. I'm just going to simply drag and drop the connection, select the content type as text plus button, and now I'm just going to enter the message for the same. And now after entering this message, I'm just going to add three buttons in this message, and one by one I'm just going to add all of these details which is the text in these buttons. The first is hosting plans, the next one is technical support, and the third one is upgrade options. So yes, you can see that I've successfully entered all of these buttons text, and I'm just going to move on forward, and I'm just going to set up the message for all of these three. We are just going to start with this hosting plans. I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection, select the content type as text plus button, and now I'm just going to enter the message for hosting plans which is something like this. Alright, I'm simply going to enter this same message, and now in this hosting plans message, I'm just going to add a button which is contact us. So for that, I'm simply going to add a button and enter the text of the button which is contact us. Now I'm just going to move on forward and set up the message for technical support. I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection, and now I'm just going to enter the message for technical support, which is this. So I'm simply going to enter the same message, and now in this message too also I'm just going to add a button of contact us. Alright, so as you can see, they've successfully set it up this. Now I'm just going to move on towards the third option, which is upgrade option. I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection, and now I'm just going to enter the message right over here, which is this. Once again, after entering this message, I'm just going to add a button in this message too, which is contact us. Now we're just going to move on forward and set up the message for contact us. I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection, and now I'm just going to set up the message for contact us, which is something like this. And now I'm just going to connect this contact us message with all the buttons with set contact us. So yes, now after connecting this with this, we have successfully completed our WhatsApp chatbot for server hosting provider business. So yes, now we are just going to test this chatbot in real time, but before testing this, I'm just going to first save this chatbot. So I'm just going to click on the save button, and as you can see, Flow updated successfully. And now it is time to test this chatbot in real time. So for that, you have to keep in mind that this button should always be switched on. This means that the flow is active. And now I'm just going to open my WhatsApp, and we are just going to test this WhatsApp chatbot. So I'm just going to open my WhatsApp. We are just going to clear the previous conversation and start fresh. For that, I'm just going to go towards this three dots, clear chat, and then once again towards this clear chat. And now let's say I'm just going to message them hello. So I'm just going to type hello right over here, and I'm just going to send them this message. And as you can see, the flow has got started, and now it is asking me for my full name. So like I showed you in the starting of this video, now this chatbot will run exactly the same way. Now with this, we have successfully completed our WhatsApp chatbot for server hosting provider business. And now not only sending and receiving of WhatsApp messages, but this chatbot offers many more useful features. You can also check the status of the message when the message was sent, delivered and read. Not only this, you can also check the user information which you have collected in the inbox section by going towards the contact custom field option. So yes, with this, we have successfully completed this WhatsApp chatbot, and now go try this WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your specific business needs. So now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.